Okay, dear students, we are in NCERT class 12, mathematics, exercise 12, or else we can say it as miscellaneous exercise. Okay. Already in last class we have finished 5 questions. Let us try to solve some more questions. Why? Because total 45 or something questions are there. 5 questions if you go on solve, it will take 9 classes. Let us try to solve 7 questions in this class. That means 6 to 12. Sixth question, you see, integral 5x by 1 plus x into x square plus 9 dx. See how to solve this. See what I am doing. By partial fraction I am going to solve. A by 1 plus x plus bx plus c by x square plus 9. Okay. See what I am doing. That is equal to, or else implies I am writing, you see, 5x divided by 1 plus x into x square plus 9. I am converting. How I am converting, you see, a by 1 plus x plus, see, linear by linear, that means see constant by linear, and see linear by quadratic. Linear by quadratic means dx plus c divided by x square plus 9. Okay. See, both are equal means you compare only numerator. Denominators are already equal. Okay, denominators are already equal. Compare numerator. Numerator means, you see, 5x is equal to a into x square plus 9 plus bx plus c into 1 plus x. Okay, first you expand this. Comma, you put y plus 5x, you have to make again. See, ax square plus 9a see bx plus bx square plus bx plus bx square plus bx plus bx square plus c plus cx is equal to 5x. Okay, 5x. Once again I have written 5x. Okay. See, you separate x square coefficients, x coefficients and constant. You see here, bx plus c, constant is also there. 9a is there. 9a. Okay. See, x square terms, ax square, bx square. That means a plus b we have to write. See, 5x is equal to x square if you take common, a plus b. Ax square plus bx square, ax square plus bx square. Okay? X square is over. Now take x plus x if you take common. B also is there, c also is there. That means b plus c. Take b plus c. See, x is over and x square is over. Now remaining are only constants. 9a plus c. 9a plus c. 9a plus c. Okay, comma if y is already equal to here we have written. See what is there here? LHS is only 5x. That means here x square term is not there. Constant is also not there. Only x coefficient or x term is there. Here x term is b plus c. That means b plus c is equal to 5. We can write down. B plus c is equal to 5. Okay. This is one equation like you take to solve. B plus c is equal to 5. But x square term is not there means a plus b is equal to 0. A plus b is equal to 0. This is also one equation. And also constant is not there. That means 9a plus c is also 0. Write down. 9a plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Total 3 equations are available. Okay. Solve one by one. See here, remaining 2 are zeros, but 1 you are having. B plus c is equal to 5 you are having. That means b plus c. See, a plus b is equal to 0 means b is equal to minus a. Shall I write? I can write. See, based on this, see what I am doing. A plus b is equal to 0, or else I can write y. Why I am converting y? Because here b is there. B is equal to minus a. B is equal to minus a. Okay. This b is equal to minus a. Substitute in this. Minus a plus c is equal to 5. minus a plus c is equal to 5. Why I have written like this? Why? Because here 9a plus c is there, ac. Okay, then you can solve both, then you will get one value, a or c. Okay, write down. That means see 9a plus c is also there. 9a plus c is equal to 0 and minus a plus c is equal to 5. Now you see you have to subtract. Why? Because see here c and c should cancel, elimination. If you subtract 9a minus of minus a, 10a. 10a is equal to 0 minus 5, minus 5. Then what will be a? A is equal to minus 5 by 10, or directly I can write minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 will be your a. One value you have got. A is minus 1 by 2. After a, you can get c also. Why? Because see, you write this a in this, then you will get c. C is equal to 5 plus a. Write down. C is equal to 5 plus a. 5 plus a. A you are having minus 1 by 2, 5 minus 1 by 2. That is equal to 5 minus 1 by 2. 10 minus 1 by 2, 9 by 2. Write down. C is equal to 9 divided by 2. Again you box this. Why? Because you have got two values, C and A. Okay. Now third value you require. What is A, C over? Now B you require. B easily you can get. Why? Because B is equal to minus A. Write down. B is equal to minus A. That is equal to minus of minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. That means B is equal to 1 by 2. Okay? See, three values you have got. A, B, C. Now you go back and write here these three values. Write down. A is how much? Minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 divided by 2 by 1 plus x plus. B is how much? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into x divided by x square plus 9. C is how much? C is plus 9 by 2 plus 9 by 2 divided by x square plus 9. Is it correct? Shall I write these partial fractions? See, I have not yet gone integral. I have written only partial fractions. Okay, now I want to go to integral. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Then you go back to integral. See what I am writing, comma I am keeping, minus 1 by 2 I will take common, integral dx by 1 plus x. Okay? Okay. See here plus is there, 1 by 2 I am taking common, plus 1 by 2 integral x dx by x square plus 9. Okay? This is also over. Another one you see plus is there, 9 by 2 I am taking common, plus 9 by 2 integral dx by x square plus 9. Integral dx by x square plus 9. Is it okay? You see, directly this is log of 1 plus x. Directly this is 1 by 1 plus x square or 1 by a plus x square. Tan inverse x by 3. Why? Because this is 3 square. 3 square like you have to take. Okay? 3 square like. But here you have to take some substitution. X square plus 9 you have to take as t. 2x dx is going to come dt. Then x dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt is going to come. Okay? Like that it will come. Okay. Let me write that also. See, shall I write directly? Minus 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x. See, minus 1 by 2 log of modulus 1 plus x. Okay? Again, go back here. Plus 1 by 2. See, if you take this as t, dt will be 2x dx. X dx will be 1 by 2 dt. That means, see, into 1 by 2 integral dt divided by this will be t. Okay? Plus 9 by 2 dx by x square plus 9. Here you take this as 3 square rather than 9. 1 by 1 x square plus a square. Tan inverse x by a. See, tan inverse x by a has got 1 by a also. That means 1 by 3 into tan inverse x by a. 1 by 3, 1 by a. Tan inverse x by a. 3. Plus c you can write finally. Okay? See, you have got answer, but what you have to do, you have to, what we can say, here dt, how to substitute log t. Log t means again directly we can write log of x square plus 9. Let us write that also. See, final answer I am making, that is equal to minus 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x modulus plus 1 by 4. See, log of t. Log of t. T value is how much? X square plus 9 only have taken as t. X square plus 9 modulus plus, you see 3 times will go. 3 by 2 tan inverse x by 3 plus c. Okay, this will be answer for your sixth question. Take this, we will go for seventh question. Okay, see seventh question, integral sin x by sin of x minus a dx. Okay, see what we do, we will take some substitution. X minus a is equal to t, we will take substitution. Okay, see what I am writing. Let t is equal to x minus a. Here you can write t, but what about x? X is equal to a plus t. A plus t or t plus a, both are correct. A plus t. Okay? X is equal to a plus t. X minus a we have taken as t. Okay, another one. See here, what about dx then? See, this you are going to write as a plus t, sin of a plus t. This is sin t, but what about dx? Dx is equal to dt by dx is equal to 1. That means dx is equal to dt. Okay, dx is equal to dt. Nothing is there. Okay. Now you convert this. See how I am converting this. Integral sin of x place we have to write a plus t. Close. Then the sin of x minus a, how to take as sin t dt. Okay, dx is dt. Okay, now we have got one formula, sin of a plus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay, write down. That is equal to integral sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin b means sin t here. B is t, like you take a plus b. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay, whole divided by sin t. Sin t dt. Okay. Now observe carefully here. Cos t by sin t, cot t. Sin t by sin t going to get cancelled. Cos a will come. Cos a is constant here. A is constant, cos A is also constant, A is constant, sin A also constant. Okay, like that you have to analyze. Okay, see, proceed. That is equal to, you see, first one, sin A you take common. Why? Because this is a constant. Integral cos t by sin t dt plus, here also you see cos A you take common, or what we can say, constant, sin t by sin t dt. Is it okay? First you see. Okay. See, cos t by sin t is going to give cot t. Write down sin a integral cot t dt plus, see, sin by sin going to get cancelled. Integral dt t. T cos a, shall I write? Cos a into t, both are same, but I will write only t cos a. T cos a plus c. See, second derivative is over. So second integral is over. T cos a is the answer. Okay. And the first one you have to write. What is integral cot t? Log sin t modulus. Log sin t. Okay. Cot x. Integral cot x is equal to log of sin x. Okay. Integral tan x is equal to minus log cos x or log secant x. Okay, like this you have to know. Already I have explained several times. Okay, sin a into log sin t, log of modulus sin t, modulus close. Okay, this is over. Plus see, already you have written. Plus t into cos a plus c. See, this will be the final answer, but you see here t you have to substitute. Why? Because t you have not yet substituted. T also you have to substitute. Write t, that is equal to, see, sin a constant, that is why you keep first only. sin A into log of modulus sin of t is how much? X minus A. Write down x minus A modulus you close plus t into cos A. Sorry, not t. T you have to change, no? T is equal to x minus A. X minus A into cos A plus C. See, your answer is not this one. Why? What they have given? X cos A, okay. Minus A cos A also it will come. Minus A cos A is what? A is also constant. Cos A is also constant. This minus A cos A they are mixing in C. You understand this concept? Okay. Your answer will be like this. You see, sin A log of sin minus A. This is okay. Sin A log of sin of x minus A modulus, this is okay, but plus x cos A, okay, write down x cos A. Afterwards minus A cos A also will come, but minus A cos A is purely constant. Constant term we are mixing in constant line, okay, plus C. You understand the concept? Here you cannot take this. Why? Because here constant is not like plus or minus. Multiplication it is there. That is why you cannot take it out. Okay? Take this, we will go for 8th question. Okay. See 8th question. Integral e power 5 log x minus e power 4 log x divided by e power 3 log x minus e power 2 log x dx. 5, 4, 3, 2 minus all e power exponential. But if you observe carefully here, exponential power logarithm is there. Both are, or we can say vice versa. Both are going to get cancelled out each other. But when it is going to get cancelled out each other, directly e power log x is there means it is going to become only x. We know e power log x is equal to x. That formula I am going to write afterward. But let me first simplify this. How I am simplifying? Observe carefully. You see what I am writing? This is equal to integral of e power log x to the power of 5. Is it okay? Why? Because m log n is equal to log m to the power of n. Log m to the power of n. N log m. Okay, you can write 5 log x also afterwards. Okay, e power log of x to the power of 5 minus e power log of x to the power of 4 divided by e power log of x cube minus e power log of x square dx. First you understand this step. Why? Because this procedure is as per log m to the power of n is equal to n log m, or else n log m is equal to log m to the power of n. Log m to the power of n I have written. Now I want to write another thing. One formula here I am writing. What is that? E power log x is equal to x. E and log both are going to get cancelled out each other. X will come. You understand that formula or logic or property or whatever it may be, theorem, axiom, whatever you may take. Okay? E power log x is equal to x. Okay? See, based on this e power log x to the power of 5 means you consider x to the power of 5 as x. Then x to the power of 5 is going to come. Write down. X to the power of 5 is going to come. Write down here. That is equal to integral x to the power of 5 minus x to the power of 4 divided by x cube minus x square dx. You understand this? Based on that formula or property, e power log x is equal to x. That's all. Based on that, all x to the power of 5 minus x to the power of 4 divided by x cube minus x square will come. Okay? See, here also least is x square. Why can't we take x square as common? Let me take common x square. X square I am taking. Why I am taking x square only common? Why? Because in among these four, x square is the least power. X square if I take common, x cube minus x square will happen. If you set inside x to the power of 5, x power will come. X to the power of 4 will come. Okay? Divided by x square if you take common here also, then x minus 5 will become. If you set this x cube minus x square, x cube minus x square. Okay? Now you cancel out x square. Okay? If you cancel out x square, what will be this? See, dx also you have to write. This will be like this. x cube minus x square divided by x minus 1 dx. Is it okay? Okay. Now see, in numerator x cube minus x square also, shall I take x square as common? There also, see, don't compare now this x here, or else I can take x also, but let me take x square first. What will happen and all, let me see. Okay? Why? Because let me take x square as common. X square, if take x minus 1. Okay, if you send x cube minus x square divided by x minus 1. Your problem became very simple now. Why? Because x minus 1 got cancelled. That means finally what is this? This is nothing but x square dx. That's all. X square dx is your integral. That means whatever they may give, this much bigger integral, but finally this came to this small one. This is very easy to do. Write down that is equal to x cube by 3 plus c. Okay? Over. That's all. Take this, we will go for 9th question. Okay. See 9th question. Integral cos x by square root of 4 minus sin square x dx. Okay? This is there. See, by seeing itself we can say here, sin x you have to take as t. Why? Because sin x if you take t, dt will be cos x dx. Cos x dx is already available. Okay? That I need not explain. But a little bit modification you have to do. You have to take this as 2 square minus sin x whole square. Okay? Write down. See how I am taking this. That is equal to cos x dx divided by square root of 2 square minus sin x whole square. Okay? Now what I am writing, you see, let sin x is equal to t. If at all sin x is t, cos x dx will be dt. Cos x dx is equal to dt. Dx is equal to cos x, sorry, dt is equal to cos x dx. That means cos x dx you can replace with d, and a you take as 2. Well, because 2 square. Now it has become dt by under root of a square minus t square. Okay? Write down. Now let us proceed further. That is equal to integral, numerator is dt. Okay, cos x dx. Denominator is, you have taken 2 as a square minus sin x as t square. Okay? This formula, direct formula we have got. 1 by square root of 1 minus x square, sin inverse x. Was sin inverse x. 1 by a square minus x square, sin inverse x by a. 1 by a square minus t square, sin inverse t by a. Sin inverse t by a plus c. Okay? See, for sin inverse 1 by a will not come. For tan inverse 1 by a also will come. That you keep in your mind. Okay? Sin inverse t by a. Now you replace t and a. That is equal to sin inverse of t value is how much? Sin x divided by a value is how much? 2. Okay? Plus c. See here, you should be very careful. Sin inverse of sin don't get cancelled and x by 2 don't write. Why? Because see, if at all sin inverse of sin x by 2 comes, then see sin inverse sin will go get cancelled and x by 2 will be coming. But here this 2 is not here like. This 2 is dividing entire sin x. Okay? At that time you should not cancel sin inverse and sin x. You leave it like this only. This will be the answer. Okay? This will be the answer for your 9th question. Take this, we will go for 10th question. Okay. See, question number 10. This is a little bit bigger question. It will take what we can say. One time we have to rub the board also, I think. See, integral sin to the power of 8x minus cos to the power of 8x divided by 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x is there. Okay. See how to convert this and all. Little bit carefully how to observe. See, shall I take integral dx or shall I do only in between integrand and finally I will there? Let it be, whatever it may be. Okay. See what I am doing now. See, first you consider this as a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. Is it okay? Definitely okay. A square minus b square like you think. A square minus B square means how you are going to write A plus B into A minus B, sin to the power of 4x plus cos to the power of 4x into sin to the power of 4x minus cos to the power of 4x. Like that you have to write it. Okay, then only this will come. Here 1 you replace like sin square x plus cos square x. Okay, write down. That is equal to integral, see what I am writing, sin to the power of 4x plus cos to the power of 4x into sin to the power of 4x minus cos to the power of 4x dx also you write. Okay, so 1 I can replace sin square x plus cos square x, write down sin square x plus cos square x plus not plus minus 2 sin square x cos square x. First of all, you stop and look how it has come and all. See, you consider a sin to the power of 4x as a, cos to the power of 4x as b. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. A square. That means sin to the power of 4x whole square. Sin to the power of 8x minus b square cos to the power of 8x. That means numerator okay. Dx. 1 you can replace like sin square x plus cos square x. Okay. Minus 2 sin square x cos square x already was there, then I have kept like this only. Okay. Now again see, sin to the power of 4x cos to the power of 4x you cannot do anything. Why? Because plus is there. But another chance you have got here, sin to the power of 4x minus cos to the power of 4x. Again you can convert this into a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. Minus is there, then only you can do it. Okay. But this you keep like this only. You cannot change this. Okay. See how I am converting this. That is equal to integral sin to the power of 4x plus cos to the power of 4x into this you see a plus b into a minus b, sin square x plus cos square x into sin square x minus cos square x dx. First you see numerator, afterwards we will write denominator. Whether numerator is it correct or not, you tell me. Sin to the power of 4x plus cos to the power of, I have not changed anything. A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. Okay. See, sin square x plus cos square x is going to be 1 again. Okay. This you need not write again in multiplication. Okay. Now come back to denominator. See, sin square x cos square x is there. Shall I take sin square x common? Shall I take sin square x common? Why? Because sin square x, if I take common, what will happen? You see there. See, sin square x, if I take common, okay, 1 minus 2 cos square x. I will do one thing. One more step I will write. Why? Because 1 minus 2 cos square x, directly we cannot make it. I think here only I will make it. See, minus 2 sin square x cos square is there. Minus sin square x cos x minus sin square x cos x. 2 times I can write here. No, I don't have space there. I will write here only. You see what I am writing this? Sin square x plus cos square x minus sin square x cos square x. Again minus sin square x cos square x. Minus sin square x cos x minus sin square cos x minus 2 sin square x cos x. Okay, purposefully I have separated. Why? Because I will take common sin square x also, cos square x also. For both I want to make like this. Okay. Now you see numerator only this and this will come. This will not come. Why? Because sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. 1 into something is same. Okay. See how we are going to change under this. That is equal to integral, but the sin to the power of 4x plus cos to the power of 4x will be like this only. This will not be there into 1 sin square x minus cos square x. Okay, let it be. Why? Because don't change again this. Let us see what will come in denominator and all. If denominator sin square x cos square x comes, means we will get cancel each other. Okay, dx will be numerator divided by. Now see denominator. Sin square x you first take common. Sin square x I have taken common. 1 minus cos square x. Is it okay? Sin square x minus sin square x cos square x. Sin square x minus sin square x cos square x. This and this over like you think. Now cos square x you take common. Plus cos square x. 1 minus sin square x. If you send inside cos square x minus sin square x cos square x. Cos square x minus cos square x sin square x. Okay. Now see 1 minus cos square x what? Sin square x. Write down. That is equal to integral sin to the power of 4x plus cos to the power of 4x sin square x minus cos square x dx also will be there. 1 minus cos square x is sin square x. Sin square x into sin square x. Write down. Sin square x into sin square x plus cos square x into cos square x. 1 minus sin square x is cos square x. Cos square x into cos square x. Is it okay? Okay? See, denominator is going to become sin to the power of 4x plus cos to the power of 4x. This is this one only. Write down. Integral sin to the power of 4x plus cos to the power of 4x into sin square x minus cos square x dx divided by sin to the power of 4x plus cos to the power of 4x denominator. Okay. Now you see sin to the power of 4x plus cos to the power of 4x, sin to the power of 4x plus cos to the power of 4x are going to get cancelled out. Okay. Sin square x minus cos square x, shall I take minus cos square x minus of cos square x minus sin square x? I can take like minus. If you take common, that is equal to minus. I am taking common cos square x minus sin square x dx. Minus if you send automatically plus sin square x minus cos square x plus sin square x minus cos square x. Okay. What is cos square x minus sin square x? Cos 2x. That's all. Write down. Cos 2x. Write down. That is equal to integral cos 2x dx. That means this entire thing came finally cos 2x dx. Integrate this. Easily you can integrate sin 2x by 2. Sin 2x divided by 2. Okay. Plus c. That's all. 1 by 2 sin 2x, or you can write or sin 2x by 2 also you can. See here, minus you have taken common, but that minus you have not written here. Okay. You write minus also. Minus of cos 2x dx, then minus of sin 2x by 2 will come, or else minus 1 by 2 into sin 2x plus c. Okay. This we have missed. Take this, then we go for 10th question. Okay, see 11th question. Integral dx by cos of x plus a into cos of x minus b. See here, cos a into cos b, like it is there. Multiplication. There is no plus minus symbol, but inside is there plus minus. Okay, I think yes minus. No. This is plus only. Cos of x plus b. Okay, dx by integral cos of x plus a into cos of x plus b. Okay. See how to proceed this and all. Normally by seeing some questions only you can get this experience. What I am going to take, you take sin of a minus b in numerator and denominator, multiplication. You see what I am doing. That is equal to integral sin of a minus b dx divided by sin of a minus b into cos of x plus a cos of x plus b. Is it okay? First you see, definitely okay. Why? Because see, sin of a minus b, sin of a minus b both are going to get cancelled. Again dx by this term only going to come. But what I am going to take denominator. See, sin of a minus b means what? A minus b are constant. Sin of a minus b also constant. Constant I will take out, but one constant denominator only I am taking out. Numerator I am changing again. Why? Because I want to take is a sin a cos b cos a sin b like formula. I want to cancel out with the denominator. Okay. You might have understood concept what I am going to do. Okay. See what I am doing. That is equal to 1 by sin of a minus b will be common outside, and numerator you see sin of x plus a minus x plus b, x plus b. Now you see, if I write like this, x plus a minus x plus b, if you open this bracket, minus x minus b, x minus x are going to cancel, a minus b will come, sin of a minus b, sin of a minus b, sin of a minus b, that means okay. Then denominator will be same, will come. Why? Because sin we have taken out, cos x plus a, cos x plus b, cos of x plus a into cos of x plus b, okay, that is equal to 1 by sin of a minus b will be like this only, write down. Okay, shall we get space? Okay, let it be 1 by sin of a minus b integral, see here, sin of x plus a minus x plus b. Now you consider x plus a as a, x plus b as b. Sin of a minus b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, write down, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, okay, divided by cos x plus a into cos x plus b, okay. Is it okay? I think dx also have to write here, dx, okay, or shall I write at bottom? You are getting, na? This you take as a, this you take as b, a minus b, sin of a minus b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Now you see I am separating it. Division if you do, see here multiplication is there, this denominator is for both, minus is there, for this also, for this also. See what I am writing, that is equal to 1 by sin of a minus b integral sin of x plus a cos of x plus b divided by cos of x plus a cos of x plus b, okay, minus, you see I am not putting any bracket under y because integral I have written, last I will write dx, in between or inside only, cos of x plus a sin of x plus b divided by cos of x plus a cos of x plus b, finally dx I am writing. You understand this concept? Okay, what will happen here? You see, cos x plus b, cos x plus b are going to get cancelled, these two, okay. Sin by cos, same x plus a, tan x plus a will come, okay, that is okay. Here also you see, cos x plus a are going to get cancelled. Sin by cos, x plus b both are same. Then tan x plus b is going to come, write down. That is equal to that is equal to 1 by sin of a minus b integral tan of x plus a minus tan of x plus b dx. Okay, what is the value of tan x? Integral tan x minus log cos x or log secant x. You can take this as log secant x, you can take this as minus log cos x, by because both plus will come. Or else you take both log minus log cos x only, this is going to become minus of minus plus, then you make it division. Logarithmic minus means division also you can do, like that you can do it, okay. See, that is equal to 1 by sin of a minus b will be your this thing, common a minus b. Now integral you do it. Tan of x minus a, integral tan of x minus a dx minus log cos x minus log modulus cos of x means here x plus a, close modulus. You understand this? Okay. Again minus tan of x plus b minus log x plus b minus log minus or minus plus log modulus cos of x plus b, close, plus c also you can write afterwards. Okay. You see here log cos of a plus b x plus b divided by cos of x plus c also you can write. Why? Because minus log plus log. Okay, that also you can write. I think space is there for camera. I am writing this last step. You see that is equal to 1 by sine of a minus b into log of modulus cos x plus p divided by cos x plus a modulus close plus c. Why? Because this is plus, that is why numerator, this is minus, that is why this is in denominator. This will be your final answer for your question number 11. Take this, we will go for 12th question. See question number 12, integral x cube divided by square root of 1 minus x to the power of 8 dx. How to write this? See, little bit idea you are getting. If you take this as x to the power of 4 whole square, t square like, then x to the power of 4 d by dx if you do dt, 4 into x cube. Here x cube is there. 1 by 3 dt also you can write. Like this you have to get the idea. This 1 you can take as 1 square, a square. Okay? Like this. See how I am converting first this. That is equal to integral x cube dx divided by square root of 1 square minus x to the power of 4 whole square. Is it okay? Now x to the power of 4 you take as t. X to the power of 4 is equal to t. 4x cube dx is equal to dt, or else x cube dx is equal to dt by 4 or 1 by 4 dt. X cube dx is there. Okay. What else you require? You don't require anything. Why? Because 1 square, a square, you need not take. When a is equal to 1, you don't take a or something like. You take 1 only. Why? Because 1 is easy. If rather than 1 some other number is there means, then you take as it as a. Okay? Okay. T square, that's all. Write down. Then see what I am writing. That is equal to integral x cube dx will be dt by 4. That means 1 by 4 dt divided by square root of 1 square minus t square. Okay, t square. Okay. What is this? 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Sin inverse x by a. A is here 1. Sin inverse x, that's all. Sin inverse x means here x is not there. T. Sin inverse t. Right now. That is equal to 1 by 4 outside is there. You keep like this only. Sin inverse x means t here. T by 1. Need not write 1 plus c. But you convert it into t into x also. Why? Because 1 by 4 sin inverse t. T will be x to the power of 4. Okay? Plus c. Is it okay? Definitely okay. See, we have finished up to question number 12. I think 45 questions are there. Let us try to solve next class also 7 or 8 questions. Okay? Thank you very much.